Hello, let's take a look at batch scripting. It can be used to automate repetitive processes and is useful for automating OSDC for document management. We have two batch scripts to look at today, one in our folder and another on our desktop. For a refresher, the command we will automate will be OSDC's sbccmd command to convert Word docs to PDF. It will set the input with a -d and the output with a -o. Now we have one PDF, but there are a lot more Word docs, and we have a faster way. Here is the command we need to automate. We need to set the input and output to variables. Let's take a look at the batch script on the desktop. We have our sbccmd and a -d and a -o. We also have a -p, which specifies PDF. Within the quotes, we have a variable. Let's break it down. The percent specifies batch script variables. The others are related to the location. D extracts the drive path, P extracts the path, N extracts the name, and the X is for the extension. This is set to 1, and we'll use 1 again to remember the information for the output. When we drop a file onto the bat file, it will be converted automatically. We can repeat it over and over again. The files will output PDFs in the same location. Now let's look at the bat file in the folder. This bat will run a loop and convert all the files at the same time. These variables look similar. The new character is 0, and this represents the bat file itself. And we will instead use the location of the bat, and we will loop through every file in its location. The %% is the loop for the files. The folder is a variable and is set to the location of the bat. We will loop and convert all the files to PDF at once. Let's give it a click and see what happens. All the files have now been converted to PDF. Thanks for watching and learning more about batch scripting and OSDC.